Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 0 of me leaving for Baguio, and gusto ko ipakita yung mga na pack ko na. So, and I will be leaving in a few hours, day 0, because ang bus ko tomorrow pa Baguio is 6:15. So, kailangan ko magstay sa Manila na, so that after my shift, diretso na ako going to the bus terminal and to Baguio. Kasi kung dito pa ako magagaling, it's gonna take a lot of time. So, I have a list here. Here's spam water dispenser refill. So, that's done. Pack my laptop, charger, and mouse. It says fix here. I'm not sure if I can do that because nasa biyahe naman tayo eh. So that's good. And then here is the situation. This is the situation. Spammy. Oh, I don't want to leave her. So I have 2 bags, backpack, essentials, and laptop. And then this, because I'll be there for like 5 days. Wait, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, 5 days, yes. Tapos, basically, 6 days kasi 1 day sa Manila. So, ito, may mga damit na yan. Yeah. I just wanna make sure everything fits. Dapat, alis na ako ng 12. I'm not wearing this, by the way. Ang video no. So, I'm gonna sandwich. I'm expecting to be on my period while I'm there, so it's too bad. Wala akong choice kundi mag-luggage kasi 5 days, and considering na malamig doon, I have to wear like thicker clothes, unlike pag beach na puro summer clothes. So yeah. So, ito, nandito yung lahat ng pantulog ko or pambahay. And then here, mga pang-alis. So, it's a matter of, yeah, nagdala din ako ng chinelas, may Birks. Magaan naman to. Mama will be back, okay? Spammy, stay here. Be good. You have food, and water, and camera, and 2 litter boxes, okay? Be good, okay? Ayaw niya ng camera. Acceptable naman, di ba? 6 days. All essentials and tech. Damit. Lahat ng masusuot. CR. Hello. Dito na ako sa Pasay. EDSA. Para malapit sa Victory. Sobrang liit lang ng room. Tapos, ito banyo na to. Sinuot ko to kanina. Tsaka yung susuot ko bukas. Walang hallway. Ayun na agad yung pinto. Tapos, well, it's just one night and I will be working anyway, so see you tomorrow.
The next morning.
one night too.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Sa buong stay ko na po to?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow! Thank you po. Wait. Wait. Itsura kong to. Mukha akong... Ina-breed nila ako. Sa premier room. Deluxe lang kasi yung kinuha ko. Hindi daw available. Look. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? What the hell? Meron akong balcony. Wait naman ni Lord. Excuse me. They upgraded me. Naka King Premier Deluxe lang ako. Kasi gusto ko yung may view ako. Tapos sabi ni ate, in-upgrade na po namin kayo kasi hindi po available. Tapos, I have 2 king size beds. I have a cabinet thing. They have the balcony. A dresser. And this nice bathroom, which I use right away kasi I need to ligo. Thank you. Thank you. Let me show you what's in the balcony. Hindi masyado malamig. Puro bahay, but it's like a valley. Okay, I'm gonna go and ligo and sleep. I have work later, but tomorrow, no work tomorrow. Or hindi, half day pala tomorrow. But, Morning. It's 8 p.m. And I am working. They brought food for me too. Ang ayoko lang sa setup nila. Ang nipis masyado ng mga blankets. Yung flat sheets nila. Hindi siya yung fleece. Kasi malamig dito. So, ina-assume ko na ganun yung mga blankets or duvet. Pero kahit di duvet basta yung makapal na blanket. Kasi hindi. So, medyo malamig. Kung lamigin ka, medyo mahirap matulog. So, I'm gonna go work. Tomorrow, we will hindi naman explore, but I do wanna have lunch somewhere with a view. Tapos, Friday, full day. Hindi ko pinunong ang itinerary ko. Ito yan. Ganito ang itinerary ko. But I wanna go to some places na malapit lang. We'll be on Session Road on Friday na hanggang Sunday.
A few moments later.
Outfit check. Pupunta tayo sa Mana Cafe. Outfit check. And cardigan. Fish and chips. Ganda. we're back. We work back later, but I have time to sleep. Ang ganda-ganda ng TV kasi it's not working for internet. So, we're gonna continue reading. I'm gonna go. I'll try to sleep for at least 7 hours. Tomorrow, check out na. So, we leave at 11 or 12. Ganun. We made it. We walked in the rain. Okay, bye. Okay, checkout time 12. It's 11:30. I wanna check out early, punta sa hotel, leave the bag to the next hotel, and then just ikot lang sa Session Road ng konti to buy strawberries because that's what I'm here for. At saka mamaya uulan ng hapon so hindi na ako makakapasyal masyado. So there, yeah. Outfit is a repeat performance of yesterday kasi ayoko na magpalit-palit ng damit. Okay, see ya! Sa brewery. Lapit na. Lapit na tayo.
Bago sa yung ano kapayong.
Pidere. Hello. Dito tayo sa hotel number 2, City Center Hotel. Dumating ako dito ng ano ba? Mga like before 12, which is 2 hours early for my check-in. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-attempt ako pumunta sa market. Successful ako, pero hindi ko nakakita ng strawberries. Like, hindi ko bet. Pero yun pa naman yung goal ko, mag-strawberry. Anyway, so, kumain ako ng lunch sa Cathy's Eateries. Yung parang resto lang ng mga locals, ganyan. So, buttered chicken is their specialty, which I ordered. And dahil half lang in-order ko, ang dami pa. So, I have food later. And then, as a treat, I bought myself for being brave, for being adventurous. Ilang steps na agad ako? 7,000 steps. Tapos pagka-check-in ko dito sa room, bumaba ulit ako kasi they don't give free water. So, pumili ako ng tubig. Electrolytes. Yeah. So, room tour. Well, medyo updated, but and hindi masyadong malamig dito. So, may AC. Bathroom, decent. Shower, heater. Hindi ganun yung view. Bed, stuff. Halaran, may AC dito. Wala tayong view. But, that's SM na. Hindi ko alam kita nyo. Yeah. That's it. A little thingy. A little thingy. And thingy. Yay. I'm gonna rest. I'm going to rest. And let's see what happens later. I wanna go to that brewery, but parang weird naman pumunta doon mag-isa. So, I don't know. Let's see. Thank you. Bakit? Ang ganda. Uy! So, yun na nga. Sorry. I wasn't lucky for this strawberry. So, nagpunta ako ng Baguio Cathedral. Lakad-lakad lang ako. Sabi, take the stairs. Akala ko naman normal stairs. Hindi ko na-realize na yun na pala yung stairs na sobrang taas, tarik, at ang daming steps. Alam kong may ganong stairs, pero hindi ko alam na yun na pala yun. So, pagod na pagod ako. My knees almost failed me, but they did not. So, successful. It's a successful stair adventure. And we're eating our strawberry shortcake. Cheers to me for being brave on this trip, for being smart, for being a hardworking girl that I am. Cheers to everyone, big or small successes. You deserve it. I-book mo na yan. Now na.
Yes, sir.
10 minutes in the rain with usok is all it took for me to say, I'm done. Wala akong biniling bago.
Okay.
Fried noodles, isaw.
Kaya ko lang.
That's all. And then we go night-night. We go night-night later. Kid ko pa naman. I could...
Miss,
No.
ano nga palang kailangan mo? Niloko ka ba ng boyfriend mo? O inistok ka ba niya?
Hindi ka girly pop. That I
Wala
am.
akong natanggap na tawag.
Anong tawag?
Ang akala ko naayos.
Gusto ko kasi, hindi ko alam ang pangalan niya.
May point ka. Kaya pala, ano yung mga
Tapos
sinabi
bumili
ko
pa ako ng juice.
Na,
So,
gagamitin daw itong buong kwarto.
yung pag-handle ko ng juice, dahil may payong pa ako, nababasa ko yung sarili ko.
gawin ngayon?
Dahil sa juice na.
Assassination mission.
Ano ba yan?
Walang mangalap ng
Good morning, it's day 4 na agad. Oh my gosh. And this is my last full day dito sa Baguio. Last night, what happened? Ang lakas ng ulan. So, medyo baha na dun sa night market. And, wala naman akong gustong pagkain dun eh. Wala akong masyadong gusto. And they almost actually sell the same thing. So, yeah, feeling ko medyo overrated yung night market. What do you think? Or kayo na lang mag-judge. Like, grilled balu. May scallops doon na may, like, grilled scallops. But hindi na ako mamili kasi paano hindi fresh? Yung na ma-food poison. Although, i-grill naman nila. So, like, I'm sure whatever is in there would be dead already. Yeah, so today is pretty gloomy. But the days here during this period starts like that naman. So, ang gagawin ko, kain, and then I'll go to Burnham Park to walk. And then, meron nung jeep papunta sa Valley of Colors, Tanosa, basta ganun. And then, hindi ko alam kung pupunta ako ng Strawberry Farm, although isang jeep ride lang din yun dun. Kasi diba, nagbagyo pala nung, nagbagyo in the last 3 weeks. Binaha yung farm. So, yung mga strawberries nila namatay. Wala tayong success bumili ng strawberries. Why? Pero, yung goal natin for today, kain, lakad, gala, balik dito, pahinga. Tapos, baka either pag sinipag ako mamayang hapon, mamaya na ako magpupunta babalik ako sa City Market for pasalubong. Tapos, gusto ko lang pumunta sa craft brewery, but again, it's weird going there alone, and everyone's like, they have friends there, and you know, having a good time, and ako, mag-isa lang ako. Let's see if we wanna be brave today. Okay. Medyo na kagabi parang homesick na ako. May naririnig kasi akong parang bell. Naalala ko si Spam. Nasa parang homesick ako. Oh my God. Isang parang gusto ko umuwi. Uwi naman na ako soon. So, kayo ba? May difference ba? And we're gonna wear the same girly pop outfit kasi sayang naman. Ayoko lang medyo nag-amoy na siya na dahil sa inihaw. Blush is from Clinique. Peach Pop. Oh, girly pop, peach pop. Volumizing lifting mascara. Ito nyo ba? Anyway. Usually, gloomy ng sa morning and then eventually sa gabi ay sa tanghali, araw. Tapos yun, hapon, like late afternoon, mag-SM pa pala ako. So probably pagkabalik ko doon sa labas, mag-SM na ako. Wala lang. Okay. Breakfast is, sinabi ka na ba? Luisa's Cafe. Diyan lang, like, dire-diretso lang. So, base lang ako. Bye! Sarap ng wonton. Zumba here, Zumba there, Zumba everywhere. May i-upload akong video. Hindi. Pero nagre-record lang ako. I'm not alone. I'm talking to someone. Oh. Go big or go home. Taoist temple. Ang ganda ng ilaw. Bakit ang fresh? Anyway, nandito na ako ulit sa hotel. So, bumalik ako dito dahil nasira yung flush ng toilet. After they fixed it, I went back. Sumakay ako ng jeep. Papunta ako sa Valley of Colors. Hindi ako nakalakad sa bridge, but on the picture lang. And then I had ice cream, strawberry ice cream. Patapos nun, meron akong nakilala. The girl. She's been standing on the side of the bridge for like, I don't know, a few minutes I think. Tapos sabi niya, picturean kita. Tapos picturean mo din ako kasi solo lang siya. Then we do pictures. Tapos nag-adventure kami, nagpunta kami sa Bell Church, which is just a few steps from dun sa village. And then, medyo, ano nga lang yun, nakakit ka. Kasi, it's like a Taoist temple thing. And then yun. So, tatrabaho siya dito sa Ifugao, pero La Trinidad ata. Pero hindi siya taga dito talaga. Like, Isabela pa daw dun sa pa-north pa. It's a pretty humbling moment for me kasi una sabi niya, ang ganda naman ng cellphone. Ang ganda naman ng picture sa cellphone mo kasi naka-iPhone ka. Yung sa kanya lang daw Android. Tapos, may cracks pa ganyan. Itong phone ko na to, iPhone 12 lang to eh. Hindi siya Pro, hindi siya Pro Max. It's just the basic iPhone 12. But, alam mo yun, yung something na meron ka na feeling mo hindi siya best. Ano pala yun? Parang, yun na pala yung something na hinihiling ng ibang tao. So, I'm really grateful. Tapos tinatanong niya ako. So, pa-picture siya sa akin. Sabi niya, picture tayong dalawa. Baka mamaya, anak na pala ng presidente. Hindi ko alam. Sabi ko, grabe naman to. Anyway, after noon, nag-jeep ulit ako. Iniwanan ko na siya doon. Nagpipicture pa siya. Nag-jeep na ako pa Baguio. Tapos, naglakad papuntang market. Hindi na ako bumili talaga ng pasalubong just for my parents lang. And then I'm gonna be here to rest. So, this is basically... I'm going to Baguio Brewery later. So, let's see. And then, tomorrow, yeah, we go back home na. Sabi niya, sabi nila dito, pag uuwi na yung mga taga Manila, is like, kailan ka bababa? Aakit ng Baguio, bababa ng Baguio. So, there. Okay, well, I'm gonna go and eat a leftover. Oh, also, expenses ko, probably sa end lang ng video. But, for food, hindi ako masyado nag-spend. Kasi hindi ako sanay kumain ng 3 meals a day with snacks in between. Kasi I only eat twice and I only eat late at night and super, like, early morning. Kasi nga, nagpa-fast ako ng mga 14 hours, ganun. 14 to 16 hours. So, hindi talaga ako nag-crave kumain ng kung ano-ano. I did have breakfast earlier. The wontons were... Sarap ng wontons! Beef wontons. So, beef mami na may wontons. And the wontons are like... Sarap. Sobrang malasa niya kahit maliliit lang. Like, ganyan kalit. Okay. Anyway... Yeah. Medyo na-homesick ako kahapon. Kasi... Parang may narinig akong bell. Maybe it's outside. Parang naririnig ko yung pusa ko. So, namimiss ko siya. Meron nga akong camera, CCTV sa bahay para makita ko siya. Kaso lang nalulungkot naman ako pag nakikita ko siya mag-isa. You can speak from the microphone dun sa app at maririnig ka niya. Tapos, kagabi sabi ko, Spammy, sabi niya, hinahanap niya ako. I'm like, oh my God, I love my cat like that. Anyway, Mommy, Mama home soon. See ya.
The next morning.
Hello. Good morning. Nalakad ako. And naiyak ako.